As a developer, you often get requests for small, annoying features from a lot of non-technical users. Can you change this text? Can you create an extra report for me? On one side, you might be annoyed and would love to give them a no-code platform, like Firebase or Notion, but you also fear that doing this would lose your job, or even worse, you would have to work with the clumsy API from Airtable. But what if you could give your users an easy-to-use low-code tool while keeping a good developer experience from a platform like Firebase? This is the promise of Rowy, and today we will go over their main features and how they can help you. So what exactly is Rowy? In its simplest form, it is Firebase on steroids. When creating a project, you will be prompted to install it on top of a Firebase project. Once this is done, Rowy will act as a replacement for your Firebase consoles with many new features such as a spreadsheet UI interface where you can now view your Firebase data in a similar way to Airtable, a much broader choice of data types than you would find on the regular Firebase, and lastly, a bunch of no-code tools directly from the UI. This is great, but as a developer, you might be wondering why would you add no-code capacities to your Firebase projects, especially since you can code these features yourself. While this is true, startups and products require a ton of features, and you will need to provide your colleagues with dashboards, reports, and multiple other systems, and this is where Rowy shines. Let's explore a couple of features that you might want to build over it. The first I can think of is really a feedback form. Think of a simple flow where the user is prompted to enter feedback and to give their email. You would save this data in Firebase as a new document each time, and you would end up aggregating this data in Excel or other spreadsheet, or even creating a dashboard UI to show it. This feature would take an intermediate developer anywhere between 1 week to 3 weeks, but could be built in Rowy within around half that time. They even have a template allowing you to create such a feature and add it directly to your site with a simple script tag. Another feature I can think of would be the metadata of a blog post. If you're building a blog for a marketing team that wants to drive up SEO traffic, they will want to analyze a lot of things. Things like click tracking to see how many people are clicking links from the blog post, likes or dislikes around the post, and even people leaving comments. This is an example where you would be able to use Firebase as your database of choice and publish this data directly, but Rowy makes it even better because you already have the spreadsheet UI without any extra development, allowing you to focus on making a beautiful front end. And this brings me to a killer feature from Rowy, the ability to create cloud functions in a low-code environment. We won't go over this today as it will be the topic of a further video, but Rowy lets you create cloud functions directly from the UI. These functions will normally be used in Firebase to react to things like changes in a specific collection, process data automatically in cron jobs, or even send email alerts when something happens or changes in your database. The ability to have a non-technical user work on them without having to bundle, package, and deploy these functions is a killer feature that allows you to work directly in the Rowy UI. But the best part to me is that Rowy keeps you in control as a developer. You keep access to all the awesome NPM package and features that Firebase is giving you, but at the same time, it gives your non-technical colleagues a beautiful yet simple interface that they can use. We'll explore it in the future and how we can especially integrate it inside a Sveltekit project. I hope you liked this video and please subscribe for more videos on next-gen databases and Sveltekit.